True innovation is about freedom. Freedom from complexity, freedom from limitations, and the freedom that a great invention gives you to do more. At NDI, we invented a new way to share video, audio, and data using IP technology you already use every day. But like all great inventions, that was just the beginning. NDI is evolving to streamline the products you use, connecting all your content, sources, and devices through one Ethernet cable, making them available to everyone across your network and beyond. Say you need to quickly expand your content capabilities by adding 5 cameras to your production in Singapore, but your switcher is based in London. With NDI, it is all possible. Because with everything transparent to everything else, every destination is a source, and every source becomes another way to tell your story. With shared resources, teams around the world can connect, create, and collaborate on projects in real time without the need to slow down production, leaving you free to focus on the one thing that really matters, making outstanding content. It is a storytelling revolution, connecting people globally and making sharing content intuitive and fun. With billions of stories out there waiting to be told, don't just watch the revolution, be a part of it. NDI, moving video, moving the world.
Hello and welcome to this very special edition of NDI TV, where we are announcing the new release of NDI 5. My name is Renato, and to tell us all about what NDI 5 offers the world of storytellers, we'll be hearing from President of Product Development at VisRT Group, Dr. Andrew Cross, and Michael Namatina, President of NDI. So, to get things started, let's go over to Dr. Cross.
NDI, to me, is all about how can we make IP video easy for everybody. If we make it easy to use video and audio, we make it work on the IP network that you have, and we make it really easy for all the software vendors in the world to work with it, then what we're going to do is help build really what will be the next video revolution. The future of NDI is that anybody, anywhere should be able to work with anyone else using video. You shouldn't need to worry about the distance between people. You shouldn't need to worry about what equipment they're using, what software they're using. We should make it so that video can flow freely anywhere on any network so that we can all produce video better, that we can all tell stories better. We always set our standards very, very high for an NDI release. We don't look to make the next small iteration. We have made NDI accessible to far more people. We've made it easier to use. We've made it support far more platforms. An example of that is our support now for ARM CPUs when decoding. ARM CPUs have taken the world by storm, and they can cost as little as $1 or even less. And so by enabling NDI on ARM solutions, this means that it is now possible on almost any device in the world, the billions and billions of devices now, to do IP video. This move to support ARM in straight software is a massive game-changing thing. Now, I'm equally excited about the fact that we're finding ways to break out of the network and allow people inside browsers to work with video with anybody else. All of these things, just come back to the mission, which is what drives us. And I think that it is that mission ultimately that keeps me excited and keeps me fighting to make these improvements. There has been so much creative work done with NDI. I've seen it used in high school projects on robots. I've seen it used in hospitals to help doctors. I've seen it used on stages. I've seen it used in signage. I didn't expect any one of those. And this is, if anything, one of the most exciting things. There's just nothing we love more than to see people using our technologies in ways that we didn't expect.
Thanks for that, Andrew. Now, in just a few minutes, I will be telling you about how you can be notified about the release. But first, let's take a look at what's new under the hood of NDI 5 with Michael Namatina.
NDI is a revolution. We are changing content over IP. We've made it accessible, simple, less costly by moving away from time spent on technical complexity to time spent on content. All this by simply enabling a local area network, making your studio, house of worship, corporation use the same IP platform they use for everything else. NDI 5, the new generation of NDI, is a quantum leap for the most powerful video over IP technology. We have made the world small again and built NDI 5 to conquer the wide area network, making the world an accessible studio. NDI 5 is all you need to move audio and video between production, contributors, and devices, anywhere in the world. So what are the main features NDI 5 has to offer? So the first, NDI Bridge. With NDI Bridge, you can securely transfer and share any or all network sources between remote sites, anywhere in the world, using a single network port. Stay native in NDI, end-to-end, reducing complexity, costs, and latency. Audio has always been a complex animal in the video and storytelling world. NDI's DNA is to simplify and make things easy, which frees the complexity and streamlines audio over an IP. Audio Direct is a gateway between NDI and other audio over IP protocols. With NDI Remote, you can securely connect with any remote contributor to receive their video and audio is as simple as sharing a link. This perfectly fits for a speedy bringing in a guest to your production, connecting the world and making it more accessible. But not only amazing features we have developed into NDI 5, but also a generational step change in utilities, making the under the hood run even smoother and better. Reliable UDP uses a high-performance transmission protocol to move video and audio on the network, giving users a much better experience when using NDI. With billions of stories out there waiting to be told, don't just watch the revolution, be part of it. NDI 5, the world is your studio.
So, as you can see, we are incredibly excited about NDI 5 and how it's going to connect the world of storytellers. And you have the opportunity to be the very first to use the NDI 5 free tools and NDI 5 SDK. Sign up here to get notified the moment NDI 5 is available. And in the coming weeks, we'll have more great NDI content, so stay tuned for that. So, until we meet again on NDI TV, remember, don't just watch the NDI revolution, be a part of it.
G'day, I'm Dan from BirdDog. We're really excited to be part of the NDI 5 launch. NDI has been part of our DNA from the very beginning. In fact, from version 1 of NDI, we've been producing products. Being so embedded with NDI means that every generation has been important to us, but NDI version 5 really is a step change in what it can achieve. It allows more efficient processing on various processors, it allows global reach, and also brings to market new types of products. And today, thanks to the power of NDI 5, we're able to announce the BirdDog Play device. This is the world's smallest and lowest cost NDI decoder, supporting high bandwidth NDI as well as NDI HX. It even supports the new NDI Bridge and remote protocols. Thanks to the NDI team and all of the developments that have come in NDI 5, we're really excited about today and into the future.
Hi, I'm Laurent Mazia, Director of Product Management for Managed Switches and Pro AV Engineering Services here at Netgear. We are super excited to be working with NDI to offer the industry-first NDI instant configuration in our new M4250 line of switches. The NDI team is just fantastic to work with, and we recognize just how fast the adoption rate is around the world. Wow, it's really taking off. Netgear is very proud that NDI has validated our switches to provide such a powerful solution, making it easier for people to deploy IP-based workflows. And congratulations on the launch of NDI 5.
This is an exciting moment. NDI 5 is coming. Congratulations to the whole NDI team. Killerview becomes an NDI partner since the very early stage. We witnessed the development of NDI while we develop ourselves. Now, NDI 5 has brought a revolutionary progress. Just on CPU, you can finish the NDI and NDI HX encoding and decoding with low cost. Just like this new product we are going to release, the N6 NDI converter. Also, with the NDI bridge and the NDI remote technology and NDI 5, NDI can perfectly transmit video over the internet, which perfectly matches with the philosophy of KiloView, any in, any out, anywhere. In all, this is a brand new start. It rocks the world.
On behalf of everyone here at PTZ Optics, we'd like to congratulate NDI on another major release. We've been following NDI since its release in 2015, and it's incredible that we're already on version 5.0 after almost 6 years of improvements. NDI 5.0 is coming at a time when there's more use of video around the world than ever before. The new NDI bridge and NDI remote applications are a welcome addition to the NDI toolkit. We can't wait to see how users and our customers are going to be using these tools, not just in their local area networks now, but from around the world.
Wow, what a great show. A big thank you to the whole NDI team for a fantastic launch. And in celebration of the NDI 5 launch, and as a big thank you to all you NDI fans out there, we're giving 50% off the NDI HX camera app for iOS and Android until June 16th, 2021. Go to the Google Play Store or the App Store to download your copy today. As you can see, it's a fantastic app which turns your smartphone or your tablet into an NDI-enabled production camera. In fact, we're using it right now to shoot this very segment of the show. So get downloading and experience the power of NDI for yourself. So goodbye and see you next time on the next episode of NDI TV.